Okay, hi everyone. So, today we'll be doing the other chakra readings, but sorry, right now I'll be able to give you the reading for the solar plexus and the heart chakra. Yesterday we have covered, sorry, I'm supposed to look here on the lens. Okay. Hi! So today we'll be covering yellow, the solar plexus and the heart chakra. Okay, so first let's do the Gabriel reading, right, for the solar plexus. Ah, solar plexus and the heart chakra. Okay, so for the solar plexus, let's first go with the reading. Uh, Yellow, those who have chosen the color yellow, solar plexus chakra, this energy which is located right below the navel, three finger below the navel, uh, connected with your willpower, determination, confidence and self-esteem. You can, you will, you are, this is your motto to success, and you are capable of making the right choice. Dear one, you are beautiful. You are beautiful. So, you are strong. You are wise. If somehow, in some way, you are feeling less confident, perhaps even a little disempowered, lacking motivation, please then get back in touch with yourself, empower yourself and your journey by affirming who you are, what your goals are, and how you will achieve them. Be brave, be bold, and be ready to take the leap of faith. ये रिस्क लेने वाली बात है. You can take the risk. I am standing, it's from Michael. I am standing right in front of you, my love, removing all the obstacles. You must look ahead. The road is clear now. Okay, your mindset for now: I am confident and creating opportunity. You know who you are, your personal power and strength. Focus more on what you know about yourself. Build your self-esteem every day. Catch yourself when you are in negative thoughts. Sometimes when I'm in the kitchen doing especially cleaning the dishes and all, I don't know from where these thoughts come. Suddenly the past events appear, a lot of things which is like I think yet to resolve, and you can simply say ignore. If you cannot say, trust me, the best way to do is what I do, what I follow. Whenever I'm hearing those kind of painful thoughts that I am supposed to, I would have told this person that and those, but I didn't told them, and I still have the time to WhatsApp them with this very rude statements. And I realized that I'm kind of very much conscious what is going around on my mind, and then immediately I say, yeah, right, okay, yeah, you're right, to my ego, and I continue with my work. I drink a glass of water, I feel the temperature. That is what I told you, to be very mindful that moment. And I don't even remember that what was going on that moment, and you just simply ignore it by telling your ego, yeah, you're right, yes, and continue your work, right? There is no use of answering your ego. It's not your power, it's not my power. Catch yourself when you are in negative thoughts. Use your personal power to face challenges. Think outside the box. Focus more on what makes you become more positive and balanced. Be proactive. You don't have to be inactive, you don't have to be reactive. Be proactive. Gabriel card is this: authenticity. Sorry, it is reverse for you. Anyway, it's not a reverse card. alphabets are for you. Anyway, so it is trust that your real self, whom God created, divinely perfect, has the strength and knowledge needed for this situation. I told you this. Simply be in the present, be very mindful with the color you're wearing, the texture of your hair or your skin, or be very conscious with whatever happening around than focusing upon that particular negative thing which is actually giving you a lot of pain, right? Okay, so let's go with the next one is the heart chakra, and your card is here with me. I'll read it after the heart chakra reading. Green color, those who have chosen the color green, do not live in the hurt or pain. Heal your emotions. It is your conscious effort to choose to heal instead of holding in it. Dear one, you always have a choice when you encounter negative emotions. You know it, right? So move ahead now, go on, walk into the light. With your intention, choose to heal. I will clear, that's from Archangel Michael, I will clear all the pain that you have been holding. But you must make sure you are ready to forgive certain people or situation. We are here to fix, right? Okay, it isn't about the hurt anymore or any force that has impacted you. Whether that be disappointment, frustration or anger, instead it becomes the choice to heal with love, compassion, honesty and respect. Choose to love yourself today. Your heart chakra is a very powerful manifesting energy which attracts what you give out. You know what? I was reading this whole thing about our each chakra, how it works, and what we supposed to do each day, and I realized and discovered actually that when we come now, our already root chakra, our solar plexus, root chakra and the sacral one is already open. We come with already 3 chakra open, right? And what happens here, we are supposed to open our heart chakra. This is the reason why we cannot forgive people so easily, because the ego is ruling out there. So once our heart chakra is open, the other 3 chakras open automatically. Heart chakra open, and then your throat, your intuitive powers, your third eye and the crown. That happens by itself once this is open. So love is our power. Love is the tool that we are supposed to use. So once this heart chakra is open, we can manifest anything. Let's not be that greedy. Now it's very important for all of us to heal, so that we can heal each other. It's very important than money now. Healing. So I'm sorry. Okay, your heart chakra is a powerful manifestation energy which attracts what you give out. So don't give out any kind of pain to others. Choose love today and you will choose the path of abundance. Okay. Ask for what you want. Okay, clear communication with yourself, with God and with others, which helps you avoid misunderstandings and speeds up the process of answered prayers. What I got from this card and your heart chakra, those who have chosen the color green, is your job is to start communicating whom you have been ignoring, or you just want to stay away from them because they have been either sending you a lot of negativity, or you have very bad past experiences. See, if the person is too difficult to handle, let's avoid. I would suggest that. Personally, I would give you that advice. But if you are living with the person, if it is your partner, if they are your parent whom you are living at, so even if you are right, it is okay to go ahead and say sorry, just so that you can release the burden that you have been holding on for a long time, because it's high time to relax your shoulder and release whatever you have been holding for a long time. It's high time to release all this unwanted things. So if you say sorry to them, you're not losing anything, you are just fixing yourself. So ask for what you want to help yourself. um, you know, to have some courage to go ahead and say, you know, we need lot of courage to say sorry to people. Because of the ego, you feel stuck, no, I can't say sorry, that is from the ego. Those are the excuses coming from the ego, no, I can't say. I would suggest, if you are actually living with that person whom you hate or whom you have experienced very bad in the past, right now, from your side, try to solve, especially if you are living with that person, because it becomes very difficult in having a good day with those kind of people, whom you actually hate a lot. You will pick up every day something bad from them. Let's not do it. Let's not torture ourselves. In a way, we actually torture ourselves. So for the color green, those who have chosen, it's high time to open your heart chakra. And for the rest of the reading, I'll be doing, I guess, tomorrow. Please, lots of divine love and blessings. Please, please, please take care and stay home.